This video will show you how to fix the drum support when it causes noise or screeching sound on Maytag dryers. Safety first, always disconnect power before servicing any electrical appliance. And also remember, the internal edges of these machines are very sharp. They will cut you and hurt you, so be careful not to get cut when working inside these machines. If you need to know how to take the machine apart, click here for the video for how to disassemble, and then you'll be ready to repair.
Okay, I'm fixing to do this repair on this dragging wheel or drum support on this Maytag Atlantis dryer. It's pretty rough on this one. The other one spins freely. There's a little eye bolt for you need your let's see here if I can get this in here. You got two little eye holes on the little spring clip there. Anyways, get both in there, open it up just a little bit, remove that clip. I'm just going to leave it on the clip so it's easier to put back on here in a minute. And I'm just going to set this right here out of the way. There's a washer that comes off next. Set it down and then pull off that drum support wheel. Now that I got that drum support wheel off, use some fine sandpaper. The other thing I'm going to do is run some of the sandpaper on the inside of that drum support there. Clean the inside out as well. So to do that, I just rolled up my sandpaper. Put it in through the drum support. Spin it, clean it up real good on the inside. Okay, that's probably good enough to make everything work fine like that. Okay, spins freely now. But you definitely don't want to put grease on it. Bearing grease will just catch hair and lint and gunk it up. Okay, put the pulley on, or drum support, put the washer back on, and then of course very carefully put back on the snap ring. Gotta open it just a little bit to get it on there. There we go. Make sure it snaps down into the groove. There it is. Okay. And that's pretty simple, but very necessary if that has gotten gunked up and is not spinning freely.